Hi everyone, Sandy here with a showcase video on this project that I did back last summer. This was a album that I did following my own tutorial of the Crazy Cat Lady album to show you that you can use this album design not just for a cat album. So this one does not have the cat on the front. This was made with a Bo Bunny collection that I've had for several years. So this is from my stash, but I love how it turned out. So I've got all this different little doodads. The giraffe, I matted him on black here on the front for this circus type entertainment album. I'd use the strips here on the side for the ribbon. So this unties, and then this opens up like this. So you have the decorating here on the sides with the elephant, the circus carousel, and all the balloons. In the first page, I put a tag that I folded in half. I can't even remember. So I can't even remember for sure what all I've done on this, so bear with me as I go through this. This came with lots of different chipboards and things, this Bo Bunny collection. It's a lot of fun. So if you have it in your stash and you haven't done something with it, you might want to. So this page I left blank. This is a flap down and a flap up. And then you have a place here. I just added decorative, split it open. So that closes like that. And then on this side, it lifts up again. And again, like I said, this was following my own tutorial that I designed for Country Craft Creations back probably last June, I think. So it is on my YouTube channel. So the basic design of this album you can do and not use the cat or dog papers or put the cat on the front. Mine had a cat that I pieced together on the front. So here, this page does a flip this way, has a pocket. I put some cards in there. I think that came with the collection. I'm not sure. I think there was a ephemera set or something, and that flips back this way. And here, I loved using the buttons and things with it. Some paper clips. Got some tags in here. Let's see what we got. I have a sack bag that I put mustache on it that I folded in half. And let's see, this is a fold out, a little booklet that I made with the one of the cut aparts, or the ephemera, whatever all came with the collection. And these are different cards, palm reading cards. So this all tucks in. Let's see, this is an extra pocket up here, so we can put something here, and then like this. And then opens this way, so we have the little flips again. Fun places for pictures. Here's this one I pieced together. I cut this down to fit, so took out the middle section and shortened him up quite a bit. Let's see, this flips up this away for photos. Put them in frame. And then down, I made a tag. This is one of the little elements that came with it. It all just tucks in. So lots of fun with this. If you have this collection or some similar collection would work really great with this. So this one here flips down like that and then flips up again. And then we have the crazy waterfall where I do it from the bottom using just scraps of pattern paper, different sizes or lengths. It doesn't really matter. So this is all in the tutorial just with a different paper collection. Like that, and then I used all this, decorated the inside like that. So that's really all there is to it. It's just a really fun little album. So I will link the original tutorial. As I said, it is a cat album using authentic paper, but you can take the base of that tutorial and make any album that you want. I have another one. Let me show you real quick. So I might as well share it too. This one is for a road trip, Route 66. This is authentic paper that I had in my stash. I loved how it turned out too. So this is the same basic tutorial on how to make the album, but they are different with their papers. So you open this one up. I just left this plain. I used a bottle cap that I had, a lot of the chipboard stuff that came with it, fold in booklet, this pocket, and see here how it still flips up like the other one did. Utilized a lot of just the papers. And then this one this way. A lot of little chipboard pieces. fold down. And this one flips to the right and to the left. Not a lot of mats and things because I didn't want to cover up the paper. I don't have anything in this one. I'm going to probably put photos in these pockets. Put this over. Again, we've got to flip up to the side. Another bottle cap. Flips up and flips down. Love this paper. Had it in my stash and hadn't used it yet, and so I loved how it turned out. And I have photos of a Route 66 trip my husband and I drove part of it on, so I'm going to put some of those photos in here. I have another album for that, but I think they'll look really fun in this. So here's the pocket for this, and a tag I made with another bottle cap. And this flips over, so it's real chunky. Love this record on this one with the license plate, so that flips up there. And this is the, excuse me, Crazy Waterfall. This one I rounded the corners. As you can see, I add in different sizes of papers just from the scraps that I want to use. So that's why it's crazy, and it goes from the bottom. And then this is a trip journaling place with another tag here. And then here and some good eats. So I had lots of fun creating both of these albums, and they are exactly the same, just look different with the papers. And you can make yours in any papers you have, and just follow my Crazy Cat Lady tutorial that's on YouTube. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.